Hello guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. My name is Paul and this is my Range Rover V8 3.6 and we are going to work on it today. I have some things here. A new diesel filter. I hope it's the right one. And the new air filter, so that the old beast can breathe again. Stay tuned. So first of all, we are going to remove this filter box. It will give us, it will help us to access here the diesel filter. So, and in order to remove this box, we have to loosen these contacts here, remove those hoses, and then 6 screws around. We have to loosen the bleeder. Can't see it. Let's try to see it. There is the bleeder, yes. There it is. We have to remove that one. And if I'm not mistaken, there should be a contact underneath also, but that we will see afterwards. Let's start. So in order to get these contacts out, we have to lift it here a little bit, and then it should come out like so. So these two are already out. Now we have to loosen these hoses. So, and then they should come off, but that never goes easy. That one fell down, but I heard it fall on the bottom, on the ground. So I took out the complete box with the filter. Here's the cover. dirty. I have to clean it, and then where it's at, it is very dirty, so I'm going to clean that also. So this is already a whole lot better. Not perfect, but it even shines. But it's still wet, of course. So here we have the filter box. I replaced it. It has to fit here in those two holes, and then a little bit more lower there is that big rubber ring where it has to fit in. So diesel filter is already in, back in, and I primed it 3 times before starting, and the motor started for the first time, and I can see no leaks, so that seemed to be okay. So the new filter is in, and now we have to replace the cover and the contacts and the hoses, and that's what we are going to do now. Hoses back on and screwing the clamps back on, but I have to do it. I need my 2 hands. Put the screw on the DeWalt tool. It's magnetic, so it won't lose the screw. At least that's what we hope. And put it in. And that is it. Another one. So another one. We just do it to begin with, and then afterwards we do it with the electric screwdriver. But first we put it in with the magnetic tool, so we won't lose not yet another screw. Here, another one. So, and now we are going to do it with the electric screwdriver. So they all are in. Now we just have to do, we only have to do the contacts here. The long one, the short one, the long one first. Click. Second one. Click. So, filter in, new diesel filter, clean, clean, everything is like it should here, but okay, no leaks, okay. So guys, this is again a wrap for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Consider subscribing if you didn't already. And follow us for the next videos to come. And I will see you very soon. Peace.